Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find total list of your subscribers who turned on notification bell on your channel. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you wish to know how many of your subscribers turned on notification bell, this information is available in your YouTube studio. To get this, just go to your YouTube studio and then click on analytics here. From analytics, change this to audience. Now under audience, if you scroll down, you can see down here we have subscriber bell notifications. Here you can see we have here total number of subscribers who turned on all notifications for your channel. Currently I have this number 380, and also we have subscribers who turned on all notification for your channel and enabled YouTube notifications. These are the people who receive the notifications. And now you can see I have here 151, and this represents only 3.5% of my subscribers, while the first one represents 8.1% of my total number of subscribers. So that's how you can find total number of subscribers who turned on notification bell on your channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.